Melisa from the library today, and I'm going to show you how to make these really super cute bookmark markers, bookmarks that you can use for your any of your reading material, and they're so easy to make and super cute to make, and you can use them. They're like the easiest thing to do and use with paper. And it's like the coolest thing ever. And I'll basically show you, it's like these cute little like pig ones. They're so adorable and I love them. And I also made a cute little tiger, and like to think that I just made this using paper, but it's kind of like origami in a way. So if you've ever done that before, it's kind of like that, but without all the crazy folding and all that stuff. I mean, there's some folding, but there's not a lot. So yes, so this is what we're gonna make today, and it's gonna be super cute and adorable. And like I said, you can use them for pretty much anything. You can make them with your little sister or your little brother or whoever you have at home. They're just really great to make. So yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so to get started, we're gonna need, let's get our materials ready. So some markers of some sort or crayons would work just as fine for this, as well as some pieces of white paper or any type of paper you have at home. But I have some colored paper that I use. It could be cardstock, construction paper, or just typical red regular paper that works too, and just color it in. Either one is cool. And what is it? A ruler preferably, and a glue stick and some scissors. And I have my little caddy, so it's just easier to like maneuver them. So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab our piece of colored paper and we're going to measure it out. So we're going to measure out basically a square of 6 inches. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab one of my markers. And basically, it's 6 inches. 6 inches the long way and then 6 inches this way. So then I'm just going to place a little marker right here. And then what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to make some lines so that way I can just cut on them. Then this made, so it's like a big old square. So if you decide to do both of them, you can cut 2 different squares and that works out too. So I got my 6 inches, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cut this out. Then we have a nice little square. Alrighty, so now we have this cool square for us to do. So what we're going to do next is we're going to actually fold it in half like a hot dog. And then we're going to fold it like a hamburger. So we're going to have like 2 quarters. Ready? So then when you open it up, it's like a cute little thing there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to go ahead and cut one of the circles out, or one of the squares out, I'm sorry. I would keep this just in case, this one that you cut out. So then you're left with this like Y looking like thing. So what you're gonna do next is you can either grab your ruler and then wherever that little line is, that folding line, put a little marker right there to indicate that's where your line is at. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your ruler and kind of cut it like in a diamond shape. So kind of like in so like a little triangle like thing, like a diamond shape. And you're gonna, oh my God, this is running out of ink. And then you're just gonna do that. Here, let me do it over because you can't really see it. And then I think this one's the end of this one. This pen. Let me grab another one. And then I'm gonna do that to the other side. So this is like right here, I think. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut that diamond shape again. And then we're just gonna cut that out. And there it goes. Now we have this kind of thing going on. I kind of did a blue one already, so for our other color, for the tiger, I'm going to do the tiger in blue. And what we're going to do next is we're going to fold these guys in half, and they should make a cute little bookmark shape. So So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my glue and I'm going to do this to it. Put it glue on there. And then I'm gonna put glue on that. And there it goes. We have the body ready. And I'm gonna do that to my other one too. Okay. Just gonna glue that on. And there it goes. It's good to go. It's not perfect, but there it is. Kind of glued it, kind of funny. All right, cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the features of our little characters here. And that's why I said it's important to keep whatever you have left over. So for the pig, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna make basically some ears and a nose. So kind of challenging to color. I kind of just did this. It kind of looks like a flower. It kind of looks like a leaf. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it out. Cause I'm a huge tracer, so as much as you guys, like you guys know. And I'm going to, oh my God, I itch. Cut it out. And I'm gonna, once I'm done cutting it out, I'm gonna go ahead and trace it. Right, and then what I'm gonna do next too is I'm gonna do a nose, draw nose. This pebble-like thing. And then I'm going to cut them out. And then cut them out. I'm like hungry, you guys. I think it's because my breakfast was not that appetizing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my nose. I made it a little bit smaller because I think the other one was kind of big. And there we go. And there goes my glue. I need to get up. Hold on, you guys. Sorry about that, you guys. My glue rolled. What I'm gonna do next is grab my glue and then I'm going to put some on the back of my nose and we're gonna glue it on and right in the middle. Oh man. Don't worry, this glue dries on clear. Then I'm gonna do is clear it, what is it? Put some glue on the end of my ear and then I'm gonna put it on the back of it. So as such. And then do it the same thing to the other one. Man, you guys, I'm so hungry. I don't know why. Okay, and there it is. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually cut out our eyes. I'm gonna make a couple of eyes because we're gonna need a lot of them. You can also use googly eyes for this. I think that'd be kind of funny. I'm actually gonna do one and then just draw around it. And then right, there's that one. I'm gonna cut another one out. There's the other one. And yeah, there's that. It's not perfect, you guys. I should have traced around the glue stick to get a perfect one. Right, so there's that. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna glue these guys on. Right, so we're gonna put glue on the back of one. And I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna grab another eye and I'm gonna put glue on the back of that one. And we're gonna put it there. It's kind of lopsided, I just noticed that. Here, let me take the nose off. It's kind of lopsided. And then I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. Then I think I'm gonna use a crayon because I really need my black one. Yep. I'm gonna use actually I'm gonna use a different color marker. I'm gonna use a pink one. Let's see. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna make some eyes inside. All right, there's that one. Then I'm going to use the pink one, the dark pink one, and I'm going to make some nose holes on here. All right, and there's our pig, our cute little pig. There's that one and that one. And then we're gonna do the tiger next. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I accidentally threw away that other piece that I told you guys not to throw away. I'm just gonna cut some blue out, and I'm gonna make some ears. So I think what we can do is, I'm kind of guesstimating, guys. So kind of like a big C, and then we're gonna cut them out. And we're gonna cut this one out. Actually, we need to make it bigger. It's a trial and error sometimes. Yeah, let me cut this. I'm gonna use another pen. All right, so cut that guy out. Hopefully this size works better. I'm actually just gonna wing it. Make a big C, a big C. I think that's okay, right? No, no, it looks okay. Let's just do that. And then I'm gonna cut the other guy out. I'm gonna trace around the other one, and then, so that way they're kind of the same size. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this guy out. All right, so there's that one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue on this guy, and I'm gonna put some glue on the bottom like I did with the pig, and I'm gonna glue it on the bottom like that. Do that to the other guy. So we're gonna do it through the front because we don't see the pencil marks. Then put it around the other. Make sure they're kind of okay, kind of symmetrical. And then what I'm gonna do, oh yeah, we have to cut the eyes, you guys. And then I'm actually gonna trace around this today, this time. Just so we can get an even kind of thing going on. Starting to freak out there. Now I'm gonna cut my eyes out. They're not the best, you guys, but it'll get the job done. What I like about this is that you can be as creative as you want. Make them different colors, do whatever size. It all works out. And I grab my glue, and then I'm gonna glue it on. Glue this one guy on. I think I'm gonna put eyelashes on this one. Then put another one on this. I think I put them too close. It's kind of weird. I'm sorry, you guys. Then I'm gonna grab my marker. I'm gonna make a little triangle nose. Right, and then what I'm gonna do is draw in the cute little pleat. I'm gonna use a different color. I'm just gonna use a regular one. It reminds me of Tony the Tiger, the other one. So there's the eyes, and then I'm gonna draw some ears. And then the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some little, the little stripes. I'm not gonna make any teeth for this one. I kind of wanted it to be a little bit cuter than my other one. But but you can make teeth by just cutting like zigzags with a piece of with a white paper, and you can just zigzag it in and just cut it, and then you can just stick them on. And then I'm going to cute little tiger. Great. And there you go. It's a cute little one. So you can be as creative and adorable as you want. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this craft. It's something fun to do with paper, and it can be as creative as you want and make as many cute animals as you like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if there's any other crafts you guys would like. Okay, thank you.